So sometimes what we'll be asked to do is to restrict a domain. So if we look at this is the function we're dealing with. Now, in order to we know that's a parabola. They give us a domain here, but we don't know what a stands for. That's what we have to work out. So that's a parabola. It's not a one-to-one function. So what you'll be asked to do is you'll be asked to restrict this domain, so that this is one-to-one. Now, for a parabola, what point do we need to use, or what point do we need to include, or what point is a key point to make sure that our function is one-to-one? Well, it's a turning point. So what do we want to find? We want to find the x-coordinate for the turning point, because from there out to infinity, it's only going to be one-to-one. So what we do, we can either factorize, find x-intercepts and then halve them, or we can go and complete the square. So I'm going to complete the square because that'll give me a y, an x value for the turning point very easily. So we'll have x squared plus 8x, and then if we halve 8 and square it, we'll end up with plus 16 minus 16 plus 15. So from there we'll have x plus 4 all squared minus 1. So based on that, we've got a turning point at negative 4 and 1. So if we were to graph this, negative 4 and negative 1. So if we were to graph that, we'd have a turning point about here. So that'll go through like that. So we're dealing with the positive part, or the part between a turning point minimum and our and positive infinity. So we're dealing with from here onwards. So this from here will be one-to-one. So therefore, a will have to equal negative 4. So that's our domain. Our new domain becomes negative 4. Now, if we're asked to find for the case of studies, if we're asked to find the inverse, well then we go off, we swap x and y and solve for y. But we're not asked to do it in this case. We're just asked to find the domain. So our new domain will become not a, it'll become negative 4 out to infinity.